What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's video is going to be on more Stihl products. I ended up getting 2 more chainsaws today, and they're all stock. I'm going to show you them stock first in these videos, and then I'm going to end up porting probably both of them, at least the exhaust port. So stay tuned, guys. Welcome back. That's not too much light for the video. So what I'm going to do in this video, this is the MS 180. That'll be in the title and the description and in the hashtag, so it'll get noticed on YouTube's. So I'm just going to fire this one up, go over it, just like the MS 170 that I have. But this one has a little bit more horsepower. This has 2 horsepower. The power head weight is 9 pounds, I believe. I will put all the specs in the description. You can just click that, show you everything you need to know. 16-inch bar and chain, which are both Stihl. These are both Stihl. Yeah, the guy I'm a car auto guy, which you guys know from my channel. You guys have seen, I'm sure, some of the videos. Anyway, he ended up doing some trades with me, so that's the long story short. He needed some kicker amps. I had those 5 channels. I traded him those. $150 in this saw. So that was a good deal. This stuff was just for me cutting today. I even got the carrying case with it. One of those black carrying cases. So my file will work for this one. And then I have the big file for my other Stihl saw that I got off the guy that I'm going to show in another video. It's the MS 311, and this file will sharpen that chain. Here's the other side. Let me get you guys some close-ups real quick. Pretty much identical, a little bit bigger. Like I said, I'm probably going to pull the exhaust apart, not just take the screen out. I'm probably going to take the whole exhaust and port like the exhaust opening a little bit and get a little RPMs out of this. I gotta see the high-low screws on this one. I guess I'm gonna have to take the top off to look. It's gonna want more fuel. I'm gonna fire it up for you in this video, a cold start. I'll throw a little music in the background just so you guys don't gotta. Pretty sure that's a good angle. Alright, hasn't been started since this morning. That's been fucking 10 hours ago, so sorry for the swearing, but right there, MS 180. Sure you guys know, hold the throttle, chokes all the way down, pull it a couple times till it cracks off. Then you hit the gas one time, that brings it up to high idle, which I don't like. I like bringing it up to the regular run position. That way it idles for a minute and warms up. Alright, so that's going to be the before the porting and all the tuning and stuff I do to it. I mean, he said he bought them for his son that wanted to try being an arborist, and it just didn't work out. He bought it here in town at Ace Hardware. The other one was bought at a Do Cut in town. So, and watch, it'll fire right up, no choke. That's just on. I'm gonna just pull it once right here. I don't know what oil he's running in this, but I run the silver Stihl stuff in it, so you get the 3-year warranty with them. But after, I mean, this thing's still got a full tank. Seems like it's mixed pretty good, and I mean, it smokes a good amount. The chains doesn't even look like it's barely been used. It's never been sharpened. None of the rakes have been down or nothing. Each one of the teeth are really sharp, so I don't even know. It was loose, so I tightened it. I don't know. He might have just cut one tree with it or something. I don't know. The bar isn't even scratched up like my 170 had. It's got scratches on the bar from going through trees and whatnot. But all right, guys, I'm gonna make this video shorter. If you have an MS 180 or have any questions about it, if you want to buy it or whatever, let me know. And stay tuned for that porting video. I will add these 2 videos together, so then once that one's completed, you could just click from this one and go to that one and see the difference in how much more it screams than it did when it was stock. So thanks for watching, and like I said, stay tuned. I'm gonna have the MS 311 next. That'll be the next stock video.